Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to first of all get rid of the lock screen on your of the screen lock password on your ALCATEL free 2019, and later on how to do an FRP bypass. It's because, or also called the Google verification bypass. Why? Because after resetting the phone that removes the screen lock that you don't remember, it'll still ask you for the Google account that was previously signed in on the phone, and that has a little bit of an issue because it's a bit harder to get rid of that Google account, but you'll see everything in the process. And by the way, it currently runs Android 9 with 2020 security patch, which is the newest security patch. So it's all the newest and it works for August 2025. Let's begin. Okay, so we have the phone and it's locked with a password that I don't know. I have no idea what the password is. I just know what Google account is logged in, but like I know it myself. You don't have to know. I know it myself that my email has a 2 at the end, and I'm just saying it because you'll see later in the process that I'll be able to log in with a Google account that has 1 instead of 2. So that's just why I'm saying it. You don't have to know the Google account at all. Now let's reset the phone first. It's gonna be called a hard reset to get rid of the screen lock, and later on we'll do an FRP bypass. This is gonna be the second part of the video. So to get rid of the screen lock, press and hold on the power button, then click on power off, then click on OK. Now wait a moment until the phone powers off. And now once it does, you'll need to do a combination of buttons, power and volume up. So let's click on power and volume up. Once the ALCATEL logo shows up, release power but keep on pressing volume up. Now you'll see Android recovery. And before we do anything here, I'll just tell you, if you're planning on going to the second part of the video, watching the video till the end with the FRP bypass, then you'll need a SIM card. And that SIM card may or may not have a PIN, it doesn't matter. But what's important, it has to have at least one random contact, maybe just a fake number or whatever, saved onto the SIM card. It's possible on any phone. You can either, when you're creating a new contact, you can select whether to save it on your phone directly or on the SIM card. And you need to have at least one contact saved on the SIM card. In my case, there are automatically saved ones from my carrier, like for example numbers that let me check my phone number or my account balance, whatever. So I don't need to do that, but if you don't have any SIM card contacts on the SIM card, then you'll need to create them. Now let's finish our hard reset. So let's use the volume up or down to go to wipe data factory reset, then click on the power button to approve it, go down to yes and approve it with power button, then wait a moment and now go to reboot system now and approve with the power button. Now the phone will start restarting and it'll take a moment, so make sure that by now you already have the SIM card contacts on the SIM card. Because also with the FRP bypass, we need to move quite quickly. I'll explain it later why quite quickly. Not you don't have to rush, but just don't leave the phone out for a while. Don't go make yourself some tea in the process. Just stay with it until it's finished and don't let it sit too long. So now once it's turning on, while it's turning on, we can already put the SIM card in. We should actually do it. That's how we've tested it. We've tested it on multiple devices and it always worked the best if the SIM card was inserted before the phone booted. So So I'll try to like move quickly, although the phone will take a moment to turn on because it's not the newest phone currently. And some older phones, it's normal if they turn on for a moment or two. Sometimes on some phones it even takes like 10 minutes after a reset. Here I think it's gonna be a little bit faster because it's a 2019 phone, so it's not too old. We can see the hello screen. We have the SIM card. Make sure that English is selected. You can even double select it, like even if it's selected, click on it again and select it. And now wait a moment until a SIM pin shows up if you have a pin, or if not, just wait until in the top right corner there is like the connection shown. I'll enter my pin because I need to enter it to have the connect. This is the connection. You can see these like stripes. Once we have the connection, click on start, and here like just move quickly. Don't let the phone screen go off because I had it happen to me and I just needed to redo the whole process. So let's enter the Wi-Fi password, click on connect. Now it's gonna check for updates. It may take a while, but don't go away from the phone, just wait until it's done. And after that, just quickly move on further. Now it asks if you want to copy apps and data. Click on done copy. Now it's checking info, communicating with the server, and you can see it's shown a verified PIN that was previously, and we don't know it, so click on use Google account instead. And then it shows this message at the bottom: the device was reset. To continue, sign in with a Google account that was previously synced on this device, and we also don't know it, so let's go back to the first page, like that. Click on emergency call, then emergency information again, then click on edit in top right corner. Now add contact, allow, and allow. Then you'll see contacts that are saved on your SIM card. I'll add whichever one of those, it doesn't matter at all. Just click on it, then click on its like icon on the left side, and click on three dots in top right corner. Click on share, then press and hold on Gmail. Now click on app info, app notifications, additional settings in the app. Click on three dots in top right corner, then help and feedback. At the top, write in Morse, just Morse or write in Morse code. Like that. You need to find this article. Click on it. This article has a YouTube video, and that'll let us open the browser, start playing the video, and quickly click on watch on YouTube before it starts playing. Now it should go to the browser. I'll explain what if it didn't go to the browser. So I'll just click on no thanks, just to go into the browser. Okay, so if it didn't go to the browser, instead it said you need to update YouTube, you were moving too slowly. And it just had enough time to, or you just left the phone for a moment, it had enough time to check which version of YouTube is currently installed and that it's too old and that it needs to get updated. And that's why it happened. So that's why it's so important to move quite quickly, not rush, but just quickly enough. But once we are in the browser, if it says update YouTube, just hard reset the phone, so like redo the video from the beginning. Now click on the top and type in HardReset.Pro/download. Enter that website. Now close the translation if it shows at the bottom, it's important. Now click on Apex Launcher. Oh, I clicked on the wrong thing. Okay. Let's click on continue. Let's allow. I think it's gonna get the Apex Launcher. Yeah, it has to be Apex Launcher. Click on OK. Then click on open. Now settings. We'll need to allow Chrome to install apps downloaded from Chrome. Just accept that, then go back and click on install and wait a moment. This method has been tested by our team multiple times on different devices of the same model, and it works in August of 2025 on Android 9 with the 2020 security patch. Now we are on the home screen, and now we need to go back to the Google Chrome. Then in the HardReset.Pro/download, find a different thing. FRP bypass v8.0 HardReset.Info. Get that, then click on OK. And now click on open. Now install it. And we did the Apex Launcher. FRP bypass is an app created by us that will let you do the bypass, but we needed the Apex Launcher first because without that, the open button will be unavailable. So we need to click on open. Then you'll see this, and first you'll need to click on Google Account Manager app install for version 6.0. Then click on settings, and we'll need to allow FRP bypass app to install apps. Go back, click on install. Wait a moment, then click on done. Now bypass FRP, browser sign in, then click on three dots in top right corner, browser sign in, and OK. Then enter any Google account that you know the password for. You can even create an account, but I think it's better to create the account on a different device than here just sign in. It can be whatever account. We'll delete it later anyway, but you just need to know the password for it. So I'll log into the one with 1 at the end. As I explained later, I had the one with the 2 here. Now I'm signing in with the 1, so just to prove you that it can be a different account. Now I'll enter the password. And now let's click on next. Signing in. Now it is signed in. So it's basically like sort of done. All you need to do now is press and hold on the power button and click on restart, then click on OK. Now wait a moment. In the process we can remove the SIM card, it won't be needed anymore. And wait a moment. It's gonna take a while, not too long actually. Okay, and now we have the setup process, right? So make sure that English is selected because it just worked. It's been tested by us on English, and from our experience we know that English works the best for all these things. Let's skip the mobile network. It'll start checking for updates. You can see we are already connected to Wi-Fi. If it showed you the Wi-Fi step, just reconnect to the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna click on don't copy here. That's what you should do. Then it says the account is added, the one with the 1 at the end. In my case, because it was a different one that was previously signed in. Then there's like some things. Just scroll down and click on accept. Now skip the fingerprint, skip the screen lock, skip anyway. Then skip the face data. There's an error about the Google Assistant, just click on next, click on cancel. Then no thanks. Wait a moment, click on finish, then allow like 5 things after finishing it, allow like 5 permissions, allow, then select whatever and click on finish, then go to settings. And first I'll show you that in the system about phone, this is the Android 9 security patch 2020. It has this kernel version, so like just to preview, everything is as I said. And now the last thing that you should do is reset the phone. Technically it's not mandatory, but it's better to do it because, you know, we've installed some like apps that you don't really need. We've installed the FRP bypass, the Apex launcher. They are really like not needed. So let's just get rid of that by simply going to the settings, going to system, reset, factory data reset. So it's basically resetting the phone, but this time through the settings, so it's gonna erase the Google account too. And after that, you can set up the phone however you want, with whatever Google account you want, with whatever screen lock you want, and in whatever language. Do it however, and it's gonna be good. So I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.